front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, our devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to the device and click Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!